So to be able to complete this art activity, you need to go onto your team page. Now I'm doing this on an iPad. It might look slightly different on a different tablet, or if you are on a computer or a laptop, it might also look different. But if you go onto your Teams page, you should be able to see all of your classes. Now mine are here on the left hand side, and because we are doing art, we need to go into our art folder. Now if you are in 5A, it will say 5A art, 5B will say 5B art, and 5C will say 5C art. So if you click on here and go into general, you can see here that an assignment has been set for you. So you can either reply and send a message back to your teacher, or you click view assignment, which will open your task for you. You can see here that you have got your instructions, and then you've also got your reference materials. So it says following the links included in the file attached, which is this one here, which will take you to rooms in the British Museum in London. Can you find the objects included in the table? So we click on our reference material, which will open it up, and then we need to click this pencil in the top right hand corner. Now hopefully you have already downloaded your version of Word onto your device, which we'll have done previously in the week, so this should open. We then need to save a copy, and you should save it into your classwork folder, just like we set up earlier in the week. So we save that there, and I can now edit it. So following the links below, as we've just read, can you find these objects? So we've got these objects on the left hand side. There are 5 of them for you to find, and then 2 links down here. Now if we click these links, tap on the links and click open, it will take you to a web page, which will open the British Museum room. And what you can do here is you can see inside the exhibition. Now what you do if you're on a touchscreen device like a tablet, you can use your finger to tap and move around the museum room. If you are on a computer, you can use your mouse just in the same way, where you can click and drag, or you click on the floor to move. So what you are then doing is you are trying to find those items included in the table. Now if we go here to show you the first one. Oh, never mind. And scroll. And then zoom in. So if you're on a touchscreen, you can zoom in by pinching, or you've got the zoom in and out buttons here. So this here is the first item that we've been able to find. So what you need to do is have a look around to see what it is near. And then what we can do is, if you want to take a screenshot, you can. Then we go back into our Word document. We then type in here, I have found this object near, or I'll say at the end of one of the rooms. It is by itself in a case and is near some pottery and a painting on the wall. So what you're going to do is that you're then going to do that for all of those items. Same with this one. If you just click and open, it will take you to another room in the museum where you can do exactly the same thing. You can zoom in and zoom out, and you can have a wander around just to see what more items you can find. So once you've done that and you have added in all of your information here, you obviously have already saved it, so you can go back, which will take you, oh no, so we need to go back into Teams. Oh. And then we can go back into this assignment, we can click add work, and then you'll go to that folder where you have saved. So mine is saved in classwork, and I can find this document which I've just edited, click attach. Once that has loaded, you can then click hand in, and that then submits it to your class teacher. Now if you go on the assignments tab along the bottom and click complete, you can see here that I have completed my I Spy British Museum and I've got nothing left to hand in.